So hey guys, what's up? And yes, I am back again. And today I'm gonna talk about one of the most confusing topic of Python, that is global and global variable or local or built-in. So here is how my code looks like. I have defined x is 5, which is a global variable, and I have defined a function named fun. And inside this, I have defined a local variable. Oh sorry, includes variable, and inside this I have defined the local variable. So if we run this code, let me just clear the screen. Okay, here you can see, okay, look, the value of x is 7. So it means it will first, this code will be first executed after having a look at this value of x. And if it do not found this x, okay, let me just comment it, and it will go through this value. Okay, let's run the code again, and you can see the value of x is 6. And once it do not found the value of x here, it will go through enclosed variable. And if it do not found that value of x in that enclosed variable too, it will go through the global variable. Okay, let me just comment this line, and so clear the screen, and let's run it once again, and you can see the value of x is 5. It means at first it is seeking the value of x in this local variable, and it do not found the value of x in this local variable. So it is going out of the function, and it is going to this enclosed variable, and in this enclosed variable too, it do not find the value of x because it is commented here, you can see. And it will go through this global variable, and once it do not found in global variable, it will go to built-in variable. But as you know, there is no such built-in value in Python that starts with x. Okay, let me just comment this line of code, and okay, just run this. Yeah, you can see that okay, x is not defined. It means it is not a built-in variable. So hope you guys understand the difference between global and local and include. Okay, remember this trick so that you can remember LEGB. Okay, LEGB. That will help you to clarify your confusion. I hope you guys like the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Okay, see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.